A little bit of little man Julian's parking lot. Chopper, chopper, mini bike, 110, 100, 125, and a snapper mower he fixed. He's getting pretty good. Getting ready to get rid of riding lawnmower that he did. New owner could just put a seat cover on it. And he told me he won't be learning to ride the chase bike. So I guess that'll be going sometime soon.